All right. I didn't make it within the 15-minute time limit on the first video. I talked too much. Okay. Let me get back over to Fusion. Okay, so we drew our two lines. The first one at 13 millimeters. This is on the construct, the offset plane. And then we drew the second line at 12.2 millimeters. I fooled around and tried to lock them and snap them into place. Why do that? Be exact. Okay, so we typed in our values and we're ready to go. We've got our two circles drawn, and we need to take that gap and create our second wider section on the flashlight body. We're creating this section here. So we created that construction plane. That was 9 millimeters from the bottom. We did it by there's two ways of doing it, as I explained earlier. I created a construction plane 2 millimeters above this edge. This section's 1 millimeter. This section's 6. This section's 2. That's a total of 9 millimeters. So we could have created our construction plane 9 millimeters off the top bottom plane. Now that we have our profile drawn, the two circles, to do this section, this wider section here, we are ready to extrude that. So let's go back. All right, I'm going to tilt it over just a little bit so we see it a little better. Okay. I am going to finish sketch, extrude. I'm going to select this shape. Okay, that circle right there. And I'm going to extrude it 16 millimeters. To join, click OK. Go to the home position. So now I'm going to make the first sketch, I'm going to take away its visibility again. So I've got my two raised sections that are wider. And now I need to add my threads. Okay. So let's go create thread. All right. And I want this face. This is my section I'm going to create a thread on. There it is. All right. It's not modeled, and it just projects a thread on it. It's not realistic. So we're going to check the box of modeled, and we are going to uncheck full length. Now, go back over, actually, I don't need that. Let's go back over here, my diagram. If y'all figured out how far the threads come down, I've got 35 in total height. And what do I have over here? 1 plus 6 is 7, 9, 16, 25, 30. 35 minus 30 leaves me 5. It's rocket science. Here's my thread dialog. Let's open that up. There we go. All right, so come on, select for me. All right, so I made my length of my threads 5 millimeters. We're going to leave it at 12, and it is going to be an M12 at times 0.5. Notice how my threads changed. Everything looks good there. And click OK. And there are my threads. Okay. Now, I've got a bottom in place. The tube is hollow. We're not going to put the battery stuff in at this point. The only thing left to do is add our appearance. All right. So let's right click and go appearance. I'm going to go to metal. You all can experiment with this and do what you want. I'm going to take that shiny red, drop it on there. Now notice I only selected that particular face. I can actually drop it to all. And there, I've made it red. You can mix up your colors, do what you like, but there's your project. Save your file in the design folder, upload it on the flashlight body page, and you are done. I'll see you all later in the week.